how the virus is spreading across Italy's borders. Today, the health secretary here told the Commons once again the government was doing everything it could to protect the public.
And our approach has at all times been guided by the Chief Medical Officer, working on the basis of the best possible scientific evidence. The public can be assured that we have a clear plan to contain, delay, research and mitigate, and that we're working methodologically through each step to keep the public safe.
In Tenerife, 1,000 guests and staff remain in quarantine